topic meninges. Meninges, these are the protective covering around the brain and spinal cord. Here, three meninges are present. First, outermost is called as dura mater, which is made up of fibrous connective tissue. It is thick, it is tough, and it is protective in function. It is present below the cranium, means on the upper side of it cranium is present, below cranium dura mater is present. Then the second meninx is the arachnoid mater. It is made up of reticular connective tissue. It is having spider web-like appearance. Then it is nutritive in function and it is thin. Dura mater is thick while arachnoid mater is thin. Then third meninx, which is thin, and this meninx, it is close to the brain and it is highly vascular. Hence it is nutritive in function. So remember the from outer to inner dura mater, then second arachnoid and pia mater, or from inner to outer, remember the word pad. Innermost pia mater, or which is close to the brain, then second arachnoid, and outermost meninges, it is the dura mater. Thickest one dura mater. Then arachnoid mater, it is spider web like, and pia mater, it is highly vascular and thinnest one, and it is close to the brain. Space present between this dura mater and arachnoid mater, it is called as subdural space. Space between this dura mater, it is called as subdural space. Then space between this arachnoid mater and pia mater, it is called as subarachnoid space. These spaces, they are not empty, they are filled by a fluid, and that fluid is called as CSF. Long form is cerebrospinal fluid. Quantity 120 ml, and it is alkaline in nature. That CSF is alkaline in nature. And what are function of this CSF? First function, it provides nutrient to the brain. Second, it carries excretory material away from the brain. Third, it provides oxygen to the brain. Fourth, it acts as a shock absorber. Then fifth function, it avoids drying or desiccation of brain. This CSF, it is present, remember, it is present in this space, subarachnoid space. While in this subdural space, a serous fluid is present. One correction is there, in subdural space, serous fluid is present, while in subarachnoid space, this CSF is present. This CSF, it is also present in the cavities of brain called as ventricle, and it acts as a shock absorber. Meninges, how many meninges are there? 3. Dura mater, arachnoid mater, pia mater. Space between dura mater and arachnoid, subdural space. Between arachnoid and pia mater, it is called as subarachnoid space. Subdural space filled by serous fluid, subarachnoid space filled by this CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. It is alkaline, quantity 120 ml, and who secrete this CSF? This CSF, it is secreted by ependymous cell in the spinal cord, and this CSF also secreted by choroid plexus, which are present in our brain, and it is a cheap transporting fluid, means it transport nutrient, oxygen to the brain, and it carry away excretory material, avoid desiccation or drying of the brain, then maintain constant pressure inside the brain, These are the function of the CSF. Thank you friends.